Samsung is launching Galaxy A57 and A37 very soon, and this time the specs are actually solid. Both come with a slim premium design with IP water resistance. But yeah, design feels very similar to last generation. You get a big 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth scrolling, gaming, and content. Performance is powered by new Exynos chips. A57 gets Exynos 1680, A7 gets Exynos 480. Both are smooth for daily use and multitasking. No micro SD card support. Camera setup includes 50 megapixels main with OIS, 12 megapixels ultra wide, and 5 megapixels in macro, plus 4K video recording. Front camera is 12 megapixels with 4K support. Battery is 5,000 mAh with 45-watt fast charging, so full day use is easy. You also get 5G Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo speakers, and in-display fingerprint. Runs on Android 16 with One UI 8.5, smooth and future ready. Now real talk, if you're into gaming, heavy use, long-term performance, A57 is for you. If your usage is normal, social media, YouTube, daily apps, A37 is more than enough. So which one are you picking?